Recording.
Give me waterfall.
Hola JP, ¿cómo estás, puto?
Sí.
Yes.
No splashing la agua. Es muy malo para la conservación.
Shut up.
¿Entiendes o no entiendes? Stop!
No, cuida. I say cuida. Oh no, también.
Shark, you guys, shark. Dun, 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 dun.
I'm gonna get all the way.
Dun, dun,
Right here.
dun, 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 dun.
You're gonna get your camera wet.
No, I won't. Oh, I dropped it in the toilet. No, that was my phone.
It's cold over there.
Let's see who can float the longest. Huh?
David,
Starting now.
swim to me. Swim.
Okay, I quit.
Can you stop?
I have nothing else.
I need you.
I have nothing else to do in it.
No one likes you.
I'm floating the longest I floated.
Nuh-uh.
Oh my.
You have to float on your back. I
I'm done. I'm too cold.
See? You
Why
can't
is it
be.
warmer over? You know you pissing over there.
Yeah, I feel it. Tell us
Over
slimy.
Wyatt and stuff. That's scary. You're swimming in David's pee.
No, I'm not.
See what?
You're disgusting.
It's right back at you. Yeah, I'm going to poo. Even worse. Going to poo and pee at the same time.
I thought you said we were gonna drown him.
I'm sorry. You want this?
You
want the
Dun, 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 dun.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
What if someone's going to pee and they're moving around?
And you said the water was cold.
It's cold. It's shivering. I got used to it.
Oh.
You.
Because I'm cool like that.
Sure.
I am. I am. Hey, bro, where you going? Yeah, something like floating on me. Oh, it's a strap.
What?
It's a snake.
What's up, Darian? What's up? Leave me alone, dog. I'm floating.
There's bubbles around you. Does that mean he's partying?
I'm not partying.
Leave me alone. I'm floating.
I'm pee.
Come on, I'm floating. Leave me alone.
Me too.
Oh.
I'm floating.
Swim on your back.
Ah. Sun just hit my balls.
What?
Ah. Oh, I'm trying to swim to safety. Ah, something's scratching it. Oh, a leech. Ah. A leech ate your balls.
That's disgusting.
Oh, why does it hurt?
Oh, yay. It's almost time to go boating again.
Hurt. Ah. No, doesn't even have a boat. Come on, get off my feet. Get off my feet. This is my sheet. This is my property. Get off my turf.
what a thug.
That's your turd?
This is my turf, son.
No, it's your turd.
Turf drop.
That's my turd. I got pink turd.
Ew, it's funny.
That's not slime.
See if I drop it, it's gonna electrocute you. You wanna see?
Okay.
It's so gay. Noodle. No, give me. I'm gonna do something.
No feet. You can hit me.
No, we're gonna go swim. April, I'm coming, April.
Assalamu alaikum.
Ew, the ugly.
It's so cold.
Okay, I'm done.